We have a low input trial, especially for a lettuce. We are looking into creating a certain system in which we can screen and we can do selections under a lower input. So we can select varieties who do well under high input, but also under low input. These varieties, they are screened in different locations under different nutrient regimes. And within these screenings, we hope to find differences to be able to select for in our breeding material. Growers often want to reduce the amount of inputs that they use because they can reduce costs. In some areas, there is also going to be more limitation in how much nutrients you can use. Especially in the Netherlands, there's a lot of regulations on nutrient use, which means that it would be beneficial for growers to use less input, less nutrients, to reduce costs, but also to not be fined by the authorities. So that's why we feel like breeding for low input will lead to varieties which are more resilient and will be fit for many different conditions. With climate change, we see that there is, for example, more drought, which means that in some places in the Netherlands, we cannot irrigate, which means that you need crops which are better adapted to drought. And with the regulations coming on the use of nutrients, there's a need for plants that are more efficient with their use of the nutrients that you can give. That's really the abiotic stresses, but also the use of inputs is part of the sort of focus we as a company want to have for the coming decade, to really make our crops fit for those kind of challenges.